Black flower plants add drama and elegance to any garden, creating striking contrasts with vibrant blooms and lush greenery. These unique plants enhance visual appeal, attract pollinators, and thrive in various conditions, making them a captivating garden addition. Though some are not truly black but rather deep shades of purple, red, or maroon. Let's quickly explore the best black flower plants to grow in your garden. Pansy Black Beauty is a stunning variety known for its deep, velvety black petals that create a bold contrast in gardens and containers. Though not truly black, its rich dark purple hue appears almost jet black in certain lighting. This hardy, cool-season flower thrives in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It blooms in early spring and fall, adding elegance to flower beds, borders, and pots. Black Beauty is also low maintenance and attracts pollinators, making it a perfect garden addition. Petunia grandiflora sophistica Blackberry is a striking petunia variety with deep purple-black blooms that add drama to gardens and containers. Its large, velvety flowers transition between shades of burgundy, plum, and near black, depending on lighting. This vigorous, heat-tolerant plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, blooming from spring to fall. Ideal for hanging baskets, borders, and flower beds. It pairs beautifully with lighter-colored flowers for contrast. It's easy to grow, attracts pollinators, and enhances any garden with its rich, moody tones. Tulip Queen of Night is a stunning late-spring tulip known for its deep maroon, almost black petals. This elegant variety adds drama and sophistication to gardens, especially when paired with lighter blooms for contrast. Thriving in full sun and well-drained soil, it reaches about to 4 inches tall. Ideal for borders, beds, and cut flower arrangements, Queen of Night blooms in mid to late spring, bringing a bold, velvety touch to any landscape. Its striking color makes it a garden favorite. Xanthideschia Black Star is a striking calla lily variety with deep purple, almost black trumpet-shaped blooms and glossy, speckled green foliage. This exotic plant thrives in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, blooming from late spring to summer. Growing up to 18-24 inches tall, it adds drama to borders, containers, and cut flower arrangements. Black Star is a low-maintenance perennial in warm climates and can be grown as an annual or overwintered indoors in colder regions. Black Hyacinth Dark Dimension is a stunning spring-blooming hyacinth with deep purple, almost black flowers and a rich fragrance. Its densely packed florets create a bold visual impact in gardens, borders, and containers. Thriving in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, it grows up to 10 to 12 inches tall. Dark Dimension pairs beautifully with lighter blooms for contrast and works well in cut flower arrangements. This low-maintenance, deer-resistant plant adds drama and elegance to any spring garden. Dahlia Arabian Night is a stunning dahlia variety with velvety, deep red to almost black petals that create a rich, dramatic effect in gardens. Blooming from midsummer to autumn, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. This prolific bloomer is perfect for borders, flower beds, and cut arrangements. Arabian Night pairs beautifully with lighter flowers for contrast, attracting pollinators while adding elegance and depth to any landscape. Regular deadheading encourages continuous blooming. Primula Silver Lace Black is a striking perennial known for its deep black-purple petals edged in silver and a bright golden center. This unique primrose variety blooms in early to mid-spring, thriving in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Growing up to 6 to 8 inches tall, it's perfect for borders, containers, and woodland gardens. Silver Lace Black adds vintage charm and contrast to flower beds, pairing beautifully with lighter blooms. Low maintenance and eye-catching, it brings elegance and sophistication to any garden setting. Helleborus Onyx Odyssey is a captivating perennial with deep, velvety purple-black double blooms that appear in late winter to early spring. Thriving in partial to full shade and well-drained soil, it grows up to 18 to 24 inches tall. Its evergreen foliage provides year-round interest, making it ideal for borders, woodland gardens, and containers. Onyx Odyssey is deer-resistant, low maintenance, and attracts early pollinators. This elegant hellebore adds a dramatic touch to shaded gardens, pairing beautifully with lighter flowers for striking contrast. Iris Before the Storm is a stunning bearded iris with velvety, near-black petals that create a bold, dramatic presence in the garden. Blooming in late spring to early summer, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. This hardy, low-maintenance perennial adds striking contrast to flower beds and borders. Before the Storm pairs beautifully with lighter blooms for a captivating display and makes an excellent cut flower. Its deep, rich color and ruffled petals enhance any landscape. Alsia rosea Black Magic is a striking hollyhock variety with deep maroon, almost black, velvety blooms that add drama to gardens. Blooming from summer to early fall, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, reaching up to 5 to 7 feet tall. This biennial or short-lived perennial attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making it a great choice for cottage gardens and borders. Black Magic pairs beautifully with lighter flowers for contrast, creating a bold, eye-catching display in any landscape. Paeonia lactiflora Black Beauty is a breathtaking peony variety with deep red, almost black, ruffled blooms that exude elegance and sophistication. Blooming in late spring to early summer, it thrives in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, reaching up to 3 feet tall. Its lush, fragrant flowers make it a standout in garden borders and cut flower arrangements. Black Beauty pairs beautifully with lighter blooms for contrast, attracting pollinators while adding a rich, dramatic touch to any landscape. Aquilegia vulgaris stellata Black Barlow is a striking columbine variety with fully double, deep purple-black blooms resembling small dahlias. Blooming in late spring to early summer, it thrives in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Its elegant, nodding flowers attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds, making it a beautiful addition to cottage gardens, borders, and woodland settings. Black Barlow pairs well with lighter flowers for contrast, adding a dramatic and sophisticated touch to any landscape. Bat flower or Tacca chantrieri is an exotic tropical plant known for its striking, bat-shaped deep purple to black blooms with long, whisker-like filaments. Blooming from late spring to fall, it thrives in warm, humid conditions with partial shade and well-drained, moist soil. Growing up to 2 to 3 feet tall, it's ideal for tropical gardens or as a houseplant in cooler climates. This unique, low-maintenance plant adds a mysterious, dramatic touch to any space and captivates with its unusual, almost otherworldly appearance. Rose Black Baccara is a luxurious hybrid tea rose known for its deep red, almost black, velvety petals. This exquisite variety blooms repeatedly from late spring to fall, thriving in full sun and well-drained soil. It is perfect for borders, containers, and cut flower arrangements. Black Baccara pairs beautifully with lighter roses for striking contrast. Though not truly black, its rich, dark hue and elegant form make it a favorite among gardeners seeking a dramatic, sophisticated touch. Hibiscus rosasinensis Black is a striking tropical hibiscus variety with deep red to nearly black, velvety petals that create a bold visual impact. Blooming from spring to fall, it thrives in full sun, warm temperatures, and well-drained soil. Growing 4 to 6 feet tall, it's perfect for containers, borders, and tropical gardens. The large, exotic flowers attract pollinators like butterflies and hummingbirds. Though not truly black, its rich, dark tones add elegance and contrast, making it a standout choice for dramatic garden displays. Rudbeckia occidentalis, green wizard, is a unique perennial known for its unusual flowers, featuring a prominent dark brown to black cone surrounded by green bracts instead of traditional petals. Blooming from midsummer to fall, it thrives in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. This drought-tolerant plant attracts bees and butterflies, making it a great choice for pollinator gardens, borders, and prairie-style landscapes. Green Wizard adds a bold, architectural element to gardens with its striking, petalous blooms. Nemophila menziesii penny black is a charming, low-growing annual with deep purple-black, cup-shaped flowers edged in white. Blooming from spring to early summer, it thrives in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, growing 6 to 8 inches tall. Ideal for borders, containers, and ground cover, penny black spreads beautifully, creating a carpet of dark, velvety blooms. This easy-to-grow plant attracts pollinators and pairs well with lighter flowers for contrast, adding a striking and elegant touch to any garden. Cosmos atrosanguinus, commonly known as the chocolate cosmos, is a striking perennial with velvety, dark maroon to almost black blooms that emit a rich chocolate fragrance. Blooming from midsummer to early fall, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Ideal for borders, containers, and cut flower arrangements, this drought-tolerant plant attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Though not truly black, its deep color and sweet scent make Cosmos atrosanguinus a unique and captivating addition to any garden. Scabiosa atropurpurea black knight is an eye-catching annual with deep maroon, almost black, pincushion-like blooms that add elegance to gardens. Blooming from summer to early fall, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. This long-blooming variety attracts bees and butterflies, making it perfect for pollinator-friendly gardens. Ideal for borders, containers, and cut flower arrangements, black knight pairs beautifully with lighter flowers for striking contrast. Its rich, velvety blooms and graceful stems bring a dramatic touch to any landscape. Dracula vampira is a rare orchid with nearly black, velvety blooms resembling a bat. Native to Ecuador's cloud forests, it thrives in cool, humid conditions with indirect light and moisture-retentive media. This epiphytic orchid features long, trailing sepals and a musty fragrance that attracts pollinators. Due to its specific needs, Dracula vampira is best suited for greenhouse cultivation, making it a prize choice for experienced orchid collectors. Centaurea sinus black ball is a striking annual cornflower variety with deep maroon, almost black, double blooms. Blooming from late spring to early autumn, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. This easy-to-grow, drought-tolerant plant attracts bees and butterflies, making it ideal for pollinator gardens, borders, and cut flower arrangements. Black ball pairs beautifully with lighter flowers for contrast, adding a rich, dramatic touch to any landscape while maintaining its classic wildflower charm.